Listen to this. Listen to this. What?
Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seductive sigh. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way?
Okay, so we know that song. That is Michael Jackson's Human Nature as an R&B cover. It's incredible. And I feel like that is a cover version remade by Suno. I know how incredible Suno is, and hearing all that timbre in there and that mix, that sounds so much like Suno. It's incredible. But I also know for a fact that Suno does not allow you to use copyrighted material. It does not allow you to generate someone else's work. There are times when I prompt Suno with my own original material and it won't allow that because it sounds too familiar or too similar to someone else's work. So the question is, how did this song get through Suno? And then it dawned on me, maybe it's not Suno. Maybe it's another AI tool. And I think I've just found it. See, I was going through as many AI tools as possible to find it, and I discovered this one. This is Tunee, and Tunee is an all-in-one AI content creation platform that is just out of this world. It's simply amazing. It does everything. It does music, it does video, it does content creation, it does tutorials, it does characters, it does avatars. It's amazing. And this is Tunee, the all-in-one AI content creation platform that I figure, can I use Tunee to create a cover just like that one we just saw? So let's try it. So this is Tunee, and this is the agent page. This is the AI agent page. And in the AI page, it's got down here, it's got cover. And this is what I want to use. So I'm going to go and select cover. And immediately in this prompt box, it gives me this prompt that says, cover this song, keep the melody, just change it to a soft, husky male voice. So I'm going to go and upload my own song. It's in downloads and it's all the way down the bottom, and it's this one. Okay, so there's that version. We're going to go and open that up. And Tunee's going to add it here as it uploads. I'm just going to go and change this prompt. Keep the melody, just change it to a live R&B version with big, powerful, husky vocals like a 90s a cappella boy band. All right, so can we get the cover done? Okay, so now that we've clicked the create button, Tunee goes into this working page, and on the left, you'll see the chat, and on the right is the canvas, the working canvas of all your assets. And I've asked Tunee to keep every response in English. So looking at it now, it's come back with a live R&B version, which to me does look a little bit uncanny at this point in time because the chorus here is actually in the wrong place. This is what it looks like. Let's click it and see if the cover is exactly what we're after. Okay, so immediately I can see that it's changed from the 11 Labs to Tempolo version 4.66.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks us a feetless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs get me out into the nighttime. Four walls won't hold me
I don't know where
tonight.
this comes from.
If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way?
Okay, so my initial reaction is it does follow the melody. It does do a cover. The actual consistency of the lyrics is not bad. It's 90%. The music isn't quite up to what I was after. But the fact that it's doing a cover and a recognizable cover, we could tweak that. We could work with that and we could make that sound so much better. Okay, so after playing with Tunee for a little bit, I've come up with a concept which I think is pretty close to what I was after. Let's have a listen.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks its sleepless eyes. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seductive sighs.
Okay, that's pretty damn amazing. I'm going to say that's a 7, 8 out of 10 for what I was trying to get.
Get me out into, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them it's a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. I like living this way. I like loving this way.
Okay, so that's the agent creating another variation of that cover. I'm quite impressed with that because creating your own audio or your own songs using AI is phenomenal. But then creating a cover of songs is 10 times that. So you can go and share that with your friends. You can go and upload it to Spotify. It's totally up to you. But if you want to upload it to YouTube, you're going to need visuals. You're going to need a music video. And you know, Tunee, the all-in-one AI platform, can actually do this as well. So what I'd like to do is make my own music video. And guess what? We're going to do that right now. So what I'd like to do is I want to go and create a music video out of that. If we go and select make music video, I'm going to click that. It's going to take that audio track straight into. So we can go and select how much of the song we want to be a music video. Go to the next step. And it's going to go and take the entire audio and saying, turn this song into a music video. Okay, so Tunee started creating this music video for us. It's edited back to 3 minutes 40, ready for the visuals. It's created some other pieces of content here. It knows that it's 98 BPM in a smooth, reflective, and clear nighttime atmosphere. It's a narrative music video following a lone figure through the late night city. The concept is neon reflections on wet pavement, intimate close-ups. The stage is a moody performance piece, and the singer is in a single candlelit space. Okay, so just to recap, this is Tunee, the all-in-one content creation platform that does everything from zero to hero. And just to prove my point, I've created a cover version of a song in Tunee. I've then clicked music video and it's created the assets of the song. So here's your male character, your avatar. These are the locations. Then it has recreated that cover version in a shorter version. And then it's gone and combined all of those into a style for this music video. You've got your characters in here and you've got your scenes. Just note that this is not a lip sync music video. So lip sync is switched off here. It's using GPT, Image 2, and Seedance. And here is the script or the creative script for the whole song. And then it's gone and created all the video assets. So this is a storyboard for shot 1, shot 2, shot 3 of the character moving throughout the music video. And then I've clicked generate and here is the final video. I want to watch it. Do you want to watch it? This is Tunee creating something out of nothing.
across the nighttime. The city winks its sleepless eyes. Hear her voice shake my window. Sweet seductive sighs get me out into. Tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell him that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why, tell them it's a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. I like living this way. I like loving this way.
I don't get the storyline at all. I did not get the storyline at all. But that's the incredible Generations by Tunee. We've uploaded a track. We've made a music video from it in the blink of an eye. And to me, that is incredible. That's an all-in-one AI content creation platform called Tunee. So if you would like to try it, the link is in the description below. You'll get 250 credits when you sign up, which is about 15 seconds worth of video generation with Dance 2.0. And knowing that video generation does require more resources than music generation, I think Tunee is quite competitive when it comes to its quality, its generation, and overall costs, which makes it affordable when you're trying to create your own music video. If you found anything in this video helpful, entertaining, educational, share the content, like the content, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And I'm confident I will see you in the next video. Ciao.